ready to level up your automation game and finally tame your tangled Zapier workflows. Let's dive into mastering workflow organization in Zapier, ensuring your automations are not just running, but running like a dream for scalable success. Step 1. Conquer your Zap names. Think of Zapier as your digital assistant. It needs clear instructions. Avoid generic names instead. Be specific about what the Zap does and the apps involved. For example, new Shopify order to Google Sheets rows is far better than Shopify Zap. This clarity is the bedrock of an organized system. Next, leverage folders. Zapier allows you to group your Zaps into logical folders if you're managing automations for sales, marketing, and customer support. Create separate folders for each. This visual segregation makes it incredibly easy to find what you need quickly, especially as your Zap count grows. Now, let's talk about version control. While Zapier doesn't have a formal version history like code, you can implement a simple strategy before making significant changes to a complex Zap. Duplicate it and test the new version in the duplicate. This allows for rollback if something goes wrong and lets you iterate safely. Finally, monitoring performance is crucial. Regularly check your Zapier task history and monitor any errors. High error rates or unexpected task usage can alert you to issues within a Zap or even highlight opportunities for optimization. A few minutes spent reviewing this can save hours of troubleshooting later. By implementing these strategies, a circumflex euros, precise naming, smart folder organization, mindful version control, and consistent performance monitoring, a circumflex euros, you'll transform your Zapier setup from chaotic to a powerful, scalable automation engine. Happy automating.